Hey, this is another custom hand truck that we build for a route distribution company. You can see that this hand truck is 68 inches high because they're carrying large and oversized products, and allows them to carry more product in one load. This is a 16-inch wide by 12-inch deep solid aluminum nose plate. We have a 10-inch by 2.5-inch semi-pneumatic rubber wheels, and these have oversized precision ball bearings to make it easy rolling. We also install stair climbers on this hand truck so it's easy to get up and down steps and curbs. And this is an all-American made hand truck that we keep in stock here in Greensboro, North Carolina. And we can build these hand trucks in a number of different configurations.